Before we talk about the solutions that took place during week 1, let's talk a little bit about heat on our planet. Heat on planet Earth always moves to colder areas. Heat from the sun moves into an air-conditioned dwelling via conduction, convection, and radiation. So when we retard heat from entering a hot attic, which is the primary goal here at the Makeover project, properly installed foam and cellulose insulations will slow that heat gain from entering the dwelling. As we come to the end of week 1 of Makeover 2012, we're going to begin discussing some of the problems with the Makeover house and also the solutions. The first one we'll address is the insulation within the home or lack thereof. Our comprehensive energy audit revealed the sidewalls of the original portion of the Makeover home were not insulated. The attic, though, did contain some rock wool insulation. At some point over the years, a small amount of cellulose was added over the top of the rock wall. However, both of these products were improperly installed. So the amount of insulation present was inadequate for this type of Arkansas hot, moist, humid climate. Also, the entire perimeter of the attic above the top plate and over the walls had little or no insulation at all. This scenario creates a huge area for heat loss or heat gain. And throughout Arkansas in the summer, most homes can average a temperature within the attic of 140 degrees.
I am Tommy Gracie with BPSI Foam Insulators. We're at the 2012 Energy Makeover House. And starting off, we're going to be injecting a product into the walls between the brick and the exterior walls called retro foam. We'll be drilling the brick about every 18 inches on a grid, and we'll inject this into the airspace between the brick and the wall. This will give a complete blanket around the house, thus sealing it up. We're also going to encapsulate the roof deck with an open cell foam. We'll spray the underside of the roof deck. We'll also spray the gables, and in the process of reducing that tremendous heat buildup that we have in the attic. The process that we're doing by encapsulating the house is going to be similar to taking an ice chest or an igloo cooler and putting it over the house. We're just going to completely encapsulate it, and same effect that you're going to have with your ice chest, how it controls that temperature, keeping it cold, keeping it hot. It just works so much better. We don't have to worry about infiltration. We don't have to worry about a moisture problem. We don't have to worry about the sound attenuation, that we control the sound much better. But the main thing we're going to benefit is the insulation properties of how it seals up the house so well.
Another major achievement this week was installation of the Energy Star appliances. Thanks to General Electric Appliance Division, we were able to change out the old appliances within the house and incorporate new Energy Star products which use up to 30% less energy than their counterparts. Another major achievement this week was installing bathroom exhaust fans. Well, you may wonder why that's important. As we progress throughout the Makeover project, we will be tightening up the house or eliminating the air infiltration. So as moisture is produced in the house, now it cannot escape, so it needs to be evacuated through simple things like exhaust fans. So the Thomases now, when they shower or bathe, will need to turn on those exhaust fans to evacuate the moisture out of the house. As we continue to progress through Makeover 2012, be sure and follow us on Facebook or visit smartenergytips.org.